Okay, so this is where I'm going. It's a 67 station wagon, Buick. All right, cool. I got money from Daphne. I'm gonna grab Phipps. Vista wagon, check that out. That's got the little windows up top. I don't know what they're for other than like sunburning people, but they're trying. All right, Phipps, so we're going to get a 67 Buick wagon, but it's a Vista Cruiser, which...
Oh, yeah. Now, does that count with the things in the...
Yeah, it's got the little things all around the top.
I thought that was the Oldsmobile.
It's been in storage for a long time. It's cheap enough and it's right here local.
Does it have air in the tires?
It's supposed to be good to go.
Am I driving?
No, you're not driving. You're pumping gas, but I'm waiting on the millennials to get in. All right, so I just looked at a few pictures. It seemed cheap enough, so.
Pictures in that?
No. It's supposed to be 100% complete. Needs the normal
how long
stuff.
Have you been sitting?
20 years.
Dude, where at?
Down here in Duncanville. Come on, man. It's right up your alley. Put some go-go juice down the carburetor and put a battery in it.
No, that's not the hard part. It's the gas tank. Depends on if you know that part. But yeah, everything else comes out of your pocket.
All right.
What color is it?
Green, man. You know I like green.
That's gonna be blue.
It's so funny how many things end up being green while we do this stuff. It's like, just always happens.
Okay,
These
so
old wagons.
it's in somebody's like garage or storage?
I think it's out in like a parking lot. I think they've already taken it out of the garage and all that kind of stuff.
You just passed the gas station.
I know. It's closed anyways. We'll just have to find another one.
Oh, sure is.
That's what happens. Let me see which way I gotta go. That's what confuses me too, because it's a Buick Vista Cruiser window. So I don't know. I mean, Oldsmobile was always the Vista Cruiser to me. So maybe Buick calls it something else, but it's the same little setup with the little windows on top. I have to do a little bit of research on that. Find out.
Remember that? Was it a Caballero or wagon you had? That Buick Cap?
Yeah, but that's back in the 50s, yeah.
Those are way cool.
They're way expensive too.
We'll see. Maybe the Vista Cruiser means just that window package.
I don't know. What I do know is that truck up there is smoking too much, and there's too many people out on the roads today.
So, how'd you find this wagon?
Tony found this one. It got emailed in on the old info@gasmonkeygarage.com, which is Tony's job to go through it and find cool stuff, which is getting hard. I got to do something to get people to send us more cars because it's pretty slim pickings out there right now.
Well, if they realize that you buy, what, 1 in 5, they probably would, right? I mean, you usually do.
I usually buy more like 3 out of 5.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
Yeah.
This guy's in the right price range. I think he was like 2,800, 3,000. I told him I'd look at it. Maybe if we can get it under 2, we'll be doing all right.
You also got to remember the cool stuff's getting harder to find anyway.
It's out there.
Okay, because a Lumina is considered a antique now.
Yeah, I know, right?
Remember that old the 59 Cadillac? Okay, so he had his laptop here, his phone, something else. He's driving with his knee, pulling this big old heavy trailer with a 59 Cadillac on the back. Man, all I could do was stare out this window and just pray.
Hey man, you gotta be quick, ready to go.
If that show would have come along when that dragster was, you know how iconic that thing would be.
I know, man. I still know where it's at.
I know.
One of these days we'll buy it, fix it up.
Did he get it running?
I believe so.
Yeah. Does Chris ever sell anything?
Yeah. He's offered to sell it to me a few times before, but I just hadn't been able to make the timing work.
I got pictures of it, what it looked like when you got it.
I don't even have that. God damn it.
Yeah, I got it.
So why'd they do that? It's trying to reset.
Yeah, I got it.
No,
I
here.
like your.
Just go till they're $100, right?
Will I hold it?
Yeah, it'll take $100.
Forgot how to work the gas pump.
Yeah, it's been getting worse and worse.
They don't have premium today right now. We'll put regular in it. I take it back. Okay, that'll work.
Now all we can do is wait. Did you see me park this thing like a champ?
Yeah, well, you're.
Let's go look at
doing
a
it
wagon.
forever.
You must be Mr. Majors.
Yes, sir.
Right on, my man.
Man,
What's going on?
doing good, Rich. How you doing?
What you got here, a little hot rod shop?
Well, no, actually a barber shop inside, and I heard
Barber shop?
Yeah,
Oh,
barber shop in there. I just kind of play my cars in the back.
Oh, I got it. Got you a barber shop.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So what was it? A crispy crunchy or Burger King or whatever?
Yes, sir. All combined in one. Yeah. Yes, sir. This is she, man. This is she. 67. Been sitting in the barn for a little bit.
What it-
but
They call it a sport wagon on this one.
yeah, sports wagon, with this Vista Cruiser top, I guess.
See what the engine looks like.
Okay.
Well, yeah, you call it a Vista Cruiser because they used to it on the Oldsmobile, but on this one, I don't know what they would have called it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Power steering, power brakes, no AC.
No AC. Yes, sir.
I got a little dent in the door over on that other side. Third row seats there, that's always good.
Yes, sir.
Is it locked up or do you know?
Yeah, it's locked up.
Is it?
Yes, sir. Well, I tried to turn it with my hand. No brainer.
With a socket?
No, I hadn't tried a socket. Just doing this with my, doing like that. I just assumed it was. So I couldn't.
Hey, Phipps, how do the floorboards look?
Actually, not too bad. This side, now right here on the passenger side, not real good.
You said there is no good?
Yeah, this little spot here.
Well, it's got kind of a cool look.
Yeah, and it was green. So I figured, Richard Rawlings likes green.
Well, you were close
green
enough by,
wagon.
so I told Tony I couldn't take a look at it.
Well, sure.
Definitely
Is this
understand.
driver's door doesn't open?
Yeah, it sticks sometimes. Yeah, it got to kind of be a little.
How long have you had it?
Probably about 6 months. That had very long. I'm a wagon guy, as you can see. I like.
Did you say
I like
6
wagons.
years?
No, 6 months.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this floorboard here, well, you can see it. These leak, though.
Yes, sir.
Did it leak?
Yeah, the gaskets go bad. Kind of leak.
Kind of weird.
But let me see this side.
Has it got keys?
Yeah.
This side's better.
Yes, sir.
Man, I just don't know, Phipps.
I don't either. Now, if you had a project in mind for one of these, this would be a good start.
Had dual
so.
whippet antennas, one on each side.
Yeah. That
Put
was
your
an
hand on, good
add-on.
buddy.
Yeah, add-on back in the day, I think.
It'll roll and steer though,
Yes, sir.
because I got to go on the ROA right there on return on aggravation for having to load it.
Right. No, I'll help you push it up
I
there.
learned that from my boy Dennis Collins.
Right. No, it rolls pretty good.
So what were you
Real
asking
tight.
for?
Well, I wanted two. I talked to your guy, and
Well, now you're talking to the man.
this is true. This is true. This is true.
Well,
I would love to get two for Rich, but 1950 would do me right. I wouldn't.
1950?
Yeah, I wouldn't.
I was thinking like one.
Oh, well, no, it's a little low on me right there. I got a little bit in her, man. I thought she was a pretty unique looking wagon.
No, she's not bad.
All there. You don't have
Not
to go check it.
1500?
say,
I
do you
couldn't
know
do
if this
15.
molding's in there?
It's not.
No, it's not in there. It's not. The only problem I got, Richard, I got one little problem. The guy I purchased it from, these sets of wheels, these lug nuts, he wanted to keep the lug nuts.
The lug nuts?
Well, they were on a set of wheels and one of his partners died, and I promised him that I'd get the lug nuts back to him once I'm done with the car. So if we can negotiate it without, and I can come back and pick the lug nuts up later date. I know that sounds crazy.
That's the dumbest request I ever had.
It is,
know.
but I just wanted to keep my promise to that guy. I didn't know him, but he sold me the car, and he was just like, man, I really want to keep these sets of lug nuts. Went with a set of wheels that his partner had that he ended up passing away. So I
right.
said, hey, man, no problem. I'll get the lug nuts back to you.
That's kind of a nutty request, but
It
whatever.
is. It is. It
So
is.
so you ain't gonna move but $1,950.
Man, I think that's a heck of a deal, Rich. I really do.
I don't know if it is or not. It's a rare body style, so somebody might need it for parts.
Well, and it was a Woody at one time.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Yeah, so that would be cool. I think it'd be a nice build. Y'all hadn't built a wagon on the show at all.
Not in a long time.
I don't even remember. It was one that y'all built?
We did a Rambler.
That's right. I forgot
And
about
it
that.
sucked.
No, y'all did a Chrysler for the.
We also did the Brady Bunch.
Oh yeah, we did the
That's
Brady
right,
Bunch.
with the big blower on top. I forgot
We did
all
that.
about
We did that. Yeah, I guess we've done a bunch of wagons.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
So take that back off then. I forget I said that.
No, that's all right. If you don't know,
Yeah.
you don't know.
Yeah, but no, I've seen every episode. I was using that as a good tactic to say, I think it's a pretty cool deal.
All right. If you ain't gonna move off 1950, I guess that's what I got to do.
I think that's a player deal.
Hey, what's this?
It's one of my, but I think it's a 41 or 42, something like that. You can look under there if you need to.
There's 2,000. You got 50 and change?
Yes, sir.
Cool. And you got title and everything, right?
Yes, sir. You got it right here.
Yeah, because I got some paperwork to do. All right, Phipps, go drag down the ramps and let's get ready to load this. He says this truck right here runs.
They won't be able to get by it? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, he's gonna move that truck out of the way and we're just gonna push it out. He said he was gonna help.
All right.
Don't look scared. All right, so we got it. That might have been the worst car deal I ever had. He came down $50, but we're paying $19.50 for this 68 Buick Sport Wagon, which has the Vista Cruiser type windows. I don't know. I figure anything under $2,000's got to work, but we'll see what happens. I really don't know. This one's kind of, yeah, I don't know. Pretty ugly, but it is green. Get you some of that.
Looking for the key. I got it somewhere. I got more than that.
I think on a car that don't run, you can just leave the keys in it.
That's a good point. You're so right. And let's look in there just to make for sure I didn't do that. Leave them in there. In the ignition.
I do not see them.
Okay.
Oh, we got all that.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
We want to go.
And then I need a picture of your driver's license.
Yes, sir. Let me get that out of my car.
Look at you doing stuff by the book.
Well, Tony got the address wrong. He also got the year wrong. It's a 67. This is who I've paid to do my stuff, though. Tony T. Can't even get nothing right. Yeah, this is all good and solid for me. Tony had it written down as a 68, though.
He did? Oh, wow. 67. What you think about that little utility wagon, little utility truck right there?
I don't know anything much about those, man.
Yeah, just cool looking.
Send that to Tony.
Cool in the game.
Doing car deals like crazy on the side of the road.
Wow, that's awesome. Did you move all those motorcycles? Or like 200 motorcycles you had?
No, that's in a couple of weeks.
Gotcha. All right, give me one sec here.
All right, you find the keys. I'm gonna put my paperwork up. You got your bill of sale.
Yes, sir. Make it look easy.
Try to. All right, you want to get a picture?
Yes, sir.
There we go.
That looks pretty cool.
You might have outdid yourself on this one.
Yeah.
It's a little rough. About rougher than a stucco bathtub, but yeah, that don't work. Got a dent on the other side, missing some trim. But I was already there, so I went ahead and bought it. I got him down to 1950, but I had the wrong address, so it took us a little while to find it, and it's a 67, not a 68. Keys are in there, original books are in there, and it's complete. Now, you want to know the kicker?
Yeah.
Did he tell you that he wants these lug nuts?
The
Like-
what?
Like these lug nuts.
No.
Okay, supposedly the person he bought the car from has some type of sentimental attachment to those lug nuts. So when we get a chance, we're supposed to change out the lug nuts and put some other ones on.
To these exact lug nuts.
To these lug nuts.
Okay, well, what is that? Why there's only 3 of them on this wheel and
Yeah, they're a little spaced
4 on
out. But that's what he said.
that? Okay.
He wants these lug nuts. And I told him I'd do it. Other than that, it's called a sport wagon, not a Vista Cruiser.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, it looks pretty cool.
I don't know. This one might be a mix, Tony. But don't worry. Like always, whatever we lose, I'm going to take out of your check.
Oh, it's got torque thrust on it, baby. That thing makes money. So if we make money, it goes into my check?
No, if we make money, you might get a check.
Well, we're gonna make money.